Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy ChainGPT coin. Now, if you're looking to buy this token, it's quite simple. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Once there, simply scroll through and copy its BNB contract address. Once the BNB contract address has been copied, minimize, scroll down a bit more and head over to the market section. You'd find that it's being traded on Bybit for centralized exchange, and you can also trade it on Uniswap or PancakeSwap for decentralized. So minimize and open up your Bybit. We're going to be working with the centralized exchange. Once on Bybit, make sure you have an account. If you do not, use our link in the description of the video to stand a chance to claim 5,030 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify using our link. So you're on Bybit. How can you buy the ChainGPT? It's quite easy. Click on the deposit icon. Where we have deposit crypto, click on deposit crypto and select the cryptocurrency of your choice and simply deposit it from any external wallet such as Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and any other wallet that you hold your crypto. Now, you could also buy your crypto using your fiat currencies such as your P2P trading, which is basically using your fiat currency to get cryptocurrency, or you could buy using your local currency with your Visa card or MasterCard. All depends on which option you wish to use. So once you've gotten yourself some USDT, as USDT is important, head to the market section, the search icon at the top of the screen, click on the search icon, simply search for CGPT. Search for CGPT, click on this token, and where we have the trading type, click on market and select market, and then enter the amount of crypto you wish to spend. All you need to do is just click on buy and proceed to make the payment. Now, once you're done, head to the assets menu, click on unified trading, perform a reload, and you'll find your ChainGPT tokens here. All right, so for the decentralized trading, minimize and open up MetaMask. We're going to be working with MetaMask for today's video. And with MetaMask opened up, where you have the Ethereum main network, which is a network toggle at the top of the screen, click on this toggle and simply select BNB Smart Chain. So once you've selected the BNB Smart Chain, head to the browser option at the bottom right and simply search for PancakeSwap. So once you search for PancakeSwap, click on connect and click on MetaMask to simply connect your MetaMask wallet. With your MetaMask wallet connected, all you need to do is click on the trade option at the bottom left of the PancakeSwap app. So click on trade and you'll be taken to the trade menu where you can simply place your trades and simply trade your BNB tokens for some of the ChainGPT tokens. Now we have BNB and we have Cake. So in place of Cake, click on the Cake drop down and simply paste the contract address you had copied earlier for ChainGPT. All right, so once you selected ChainGPT, where we have the amount of BNB, you could simply enter an amount of BNB you wish to use. And once you've entered an amount, all you need to do now is simply click on the swap option. It's going to be swap instead of insufficient BNB balance. So click on swap and confirm the transaction. Once it's done, head to the wallet at the bottom left where we have import tokens. Click on import tokens, click on custom token and paste the contract address you had copied for the ChainGPT. Click on next once more. And yes, we're adding this token. So click on import and boom, the ChainGPT is on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.